Please welcome the amazing Tara.
O te muamua o na o whaatalofa atu I le paia ma le mamalu ua o fia. O tau paia, sa mawhainga o le a o leo o iai. Awa o Samoa o le atu nuu mamala. Tūlou, tūlou, tūlou na lava. Tara whalava o loo ingoa o Tara Aumalesulu. E se fululua o tausanga. O la utama e sau mai I a lalawhanga o siutu I sila ilua ma sa poe I whale alili. O la utina e mai I lea lalawhanga o Miranda Hauraki Plains I Aotearoa. This project spoken about here took place approximately 3 years ago, and it was the foundation to doing what I am here to speak about today, changing the narrative. When my mum and I first discussed taking on the project, I knew what it was that I wanted to do. I had known for years that I wanted to change the narrative around disability. I no longer wanted to sit back and watch the stigmatization and the marginalization. I wanted to be a voice of difference. An honest voice that showed the possibilities presented if we look past labels and turn on our lens of equity. Disability is not in the eye of the beholder. Through the LeVā Global community funding, I was able to work with some exceptional people to produce music that made an impact, that changed the narrative. Let me take you back. I was born at 30 weeks. Shortly after I was born, I was diagnosed with bilateral dense cataracts. These were removed at about 3 months old. This then meant I was a faker. I have no lenses in my eyes. At the age of 3, I developed glaucoma. I had several surgeries to try and contain the glaucoma to bring down my eye pressures. To this day, I still battle the high pressures and am currently waiting for my 19th surgery, which will be a cornea transplant due to the damage from glaucoma. In terms of sight, that is my story. I attend a mainstream school where I am in the Samoan bilingual unit. I am year 8 and will be leaving primary to attend a mainstream high school in 2026, again in a Samoan bilingual unit. I am Samoan. I am a proud Samoan. My culture is important to me as it holds my story. It represents who and what I am. So how did the LeVā Ora Community Fund help me? I had an idea. I am rich in culture, rich in ainga, and rich in life itself, and I wanted to share that. I wanted the narrative to change from poor Tara to go Tara go. So how can I put it? Through my love of music. Using the funding, I got studio time, and with the help of people like my dad, my uncles, my ainga, we wrote and created 2 original Samoan songs and brought back to life 6 Samoan cover songs. We worked on composition, instrumentals, vocals, and we produced together my first ever album. We shared this to the world and even held an album launch that was attended by those near and dear and many of my followers. One of my originals is Pelelo Fatu. This song was written by my grandpa. Today as I stand here, it has had over 1 million views on YouTube. Go Tara, go. Through this song, I give thanks to those who have gone before me, to those who sacrificed what they did to give me the life that I have today. My whole album itself is streaming all over the world with messages of support from places like Canada, America, Hawaii, France, to name a few. When some of my ainga traveled to Samoa, I got videos of my songs playing on the buses, my peers in the villages all singing out Pesi. The impact of the funding and being able to share what I love to do has been life-altering. Secondly, I produced an album for schools. I wanted something that again brought back to life those Samoan songs, those that our elders poured love into, wrote from their hearts. Those songs that my generation need to make sure stay forefront in our journey going forward. You may sit there and wonder, but how does this change the narrative? How does this all break down those barriers? I'll answer that. Disability to me is what other people see of me. Others' opinions are on what it must like to be blind, visually impaired, deaf, whatever that superpower may be. It is what others assume it to be. Yes, there are barriers to what I can and can't do, but never will that stop me finding my own way to do something. Funding from places like LeVā Ora helped me to do so. It provides an equitable platform for people like myself, children like myself, to dream those dreams and make them happen. I am grateful for my story. I am grateful for my village that helps guide me through what is life's path. I ask you today to help change the narrative. Next time you see someone with superpowers like me, let it not be a poor them attitude, but instead I wonder what amazing things they do attitude.
Nice.
I choose to change the narrative. I choose to diminish the stereotypes around disabilities and instead live a life that I dream of and accomplish whatever it is I dream of accomplishing. I would like to take this final opportunity to thank the LeVā Ora Community Innovation Funding for laying the foundation for my journey. With this all, anything is now possible. Tama and I will now share with you a piece very, very close to my heart. Whaftaitele lewa soifua maina ia mamia.
Tama ole Samoa iai, masio tina ole papalangi, e ai Tara i le whalawa whakapata, o te ai poi, i le whaari whawhai. Awa e lua o whaasino mai.